Hello everyone. What we have here is the Iseo Euro cylinder that I picked in one of my first videos. When I first did it though, things went really quick. I don't know, I guess I prefer picking in hand. It's just more comfortable, I get more feedback, a lot of things. But we're going to do it in the vise. Got the camera zoomed in a little bit so you can see the tension wrench as I fight those spools. So hopefully this is a better video and worth redoing. Anyway, down to business. There's our key. We'll be using a Peterson standard hook, the H1 or the hook 1, and a Peterson's 40,000th pry bar. Let's get down to business. Hopefully I can offer a better view in this video than I did that first one. Alright, little false set. That was pin 2. Here's pin 3. Now the reason I'm holding my pry bar like this is so when I do hit a spool, I can ease off and control it a lot better than just, having my finger propped against it. Pin 4. Working my way back to the front. Feels like pin 2. I just heard a pin drop there. Yeah, that was pin 1. And there we go, pin 5 with the open. Alright. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. I will be uploading more videos just as soon as I can. Sorry, things have been a little hectic around the house lately, but we'll get back on it just as soon as I can, and I will try to keep improving the content and make it worthwhile. So yeah, please subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Have a great day. Thank you.